I'm not saying anything, but love is good. Onaliruna Zobuhle Mlapo is in love. Unale crush. Crush nesdala sakhe, and this looks beautiful while watching. I just wish this comes through. So what happened is Neo decided to come to Zobuhle and just pour out his heart about how the collaboration is now going wrong, because some of the big decisions he's not being informed about them, and he just gets surprised when they're happening. And then Zobuhle was like, you know what? I think you've got a very isikhalo sakho sivalid. Isikhalo sakho siyazwakala. What you have to do is to speak to your partner, so that if ukhuluma naye not in a confrontational matter, but not in a confrontational way, but in a way yokumbonisa ukuthi, you know what, in business this is how I want us to deal with issues. I want us to be transparent, whatever it takes. No matter big or small issues need to be addressed, so that you and I rekhate somar together and we understand the goal and the vision of where we're going. And he was like, that's the brightest idea. And I'm like, anyone could have said that, but because it's coming from Zobuhle, well, it's the golden advice. Then he decided to tell the partner. The partner was like, you know what, yes, I think you're right. The problem is I got a bit too excited and I went overboard, so please forgive me. Moving from here forth, I will communicate any decisions that I take, and we're going to discuss them before they can go to an outsider. Then we understand each other and agree to and have consensus of what we are talking about before an external party can be involved. Haike athi ke uNeo that siyazwana. Bengicela ukuthi babes asihambe siyohava lunch. Ayibo guys, baheva lunch abantwana, and then they came back to the house and Neo dropped Onaleruna off, and in the dropping off and the way they were releasing each other, one thing led to another. They wanted to handshake. It was a bit awkward for them, and at some point they wanted to handshake, and then Neo was like, come here. So they hugged each other, and then after hugging, and then Onaleruna like went in hard with the hug. She went in full. She did not give a holy hug, she gave full. And then she was sleeping on him, and then as they were about to separate from the hug and the faces and the nose, they were just close to each other. And okay, well, they didn't kiss, but I was hoping they could. And I'm like, oh. So now the following morning, Onaliruna Ashu, she's just thinking about that thing the whole time, the entire time. She could not even make coffee for herself, because her mind was just in that hug, and they almost um, kissed, because it was an almost, it did not happen. And I'm sitting here, I'm like, why ningayenzanga vele? Ganikushotani, yo. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Sweden, di Madekwana. Sanibonani absheni molweni, minjani? Hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma koroshlav tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that money was borrowed from Onaliruna, and it's time for payback. And it looks like Agere, if you remember, the friend came and borrowed money from Onaliruna, right? And it looks like it's a company money. Now the problem is Sokalezo Shem, he's a newlywed, but inkinga zakhe ziyamdlula yena kwayena intaba yo lalela Giti, he is worried uyagowa to a point where he goes to the car wash in the morning, and Mulife can already see ukuthi ayi lana ngathi sekunenkinga guys, njani uphuza ugoloko ekuseni, wenzakalani la? Athi no, he just wants to clear his head because of the things that the meetings that he had at work, and then comes back. The wife is asking, oh wife, newlywed, unyaka amancane, wanna be close to the husband. The husband athi balalela ngikhathele mina. Bengicela ukulala athi okay, khumula ke silale. Wangena ngengubo zakhe shema ngakhumulanga, alale ugayi, lalela, not bothered. On the other hand ke mtate Isaac o kry-ile setulo sa bogoši bjanong problem ke gore batho a shiba ba ya khalaza bantu day in day out a o tšhena na bophelo ga mare. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe.